Hey Misfits. So you like that? Yeah. My name is Jeanette, also known as Ms.FitVegan. And today I want to talk to you guys about why being healthy is the #1 key to your success. Let's go. Alright, so I don't care what Gary Vee is saying, eat shit for fucking years. I don't care what Andy Frisella says. I don't care what Jocko says. I don't care what anybody else fucking says. I'm telling you right fucking now, this is the fucking truth. And they know it too, okay? If you are not healthy, okay, you can't do shit. If you don't have the energy, okay, if you are in the hospital or in and out of doctor's offices or dealing with all these side effects from these medications from your ailments, you cannot and will not ever be successful. You can't. So being healthy has to be your #1 priority, okay? And making money has to be #2. I'm sorry, health has to be #1 priority. And you can absolutely be successful and healthy at the same time. So here's how you do it. You make health your priority, your #1 priority, okay? If you're interested in making something out of your life, if you're interested in not being a fucking bum, having money and shit, you need to know that health is the thing that's gonna help you get there. Because without the energy and the health and the vitality and the positive mindset, positive habits and things, without that, you're never gonna be successful. And you can't have those things without health. So I need you guys to know that food equals mood. I have said it before. I say it every single time I get a chance to say it. Food equals mood. And so if you want to be the most productive, most positive, the greatest version of yourself, you need to eat the best food possible. What is the best food possible? I'm glad you asked. The best food possible is raw, organic fruit and veggies, okay? With an emphasis on fruit and dark green leafy vegetables. Every day, you want to have as many high quality, organic, fresh fruit and vegetables as possible. What I highly suggest is you want to have a raw breakfast every morning of fresh fruit. Your favorite fruit. Not fruit you don't like, only your favorite. So right now, I want you to write down a list of your favorite fruits. I'm sure if you've been watching me for a while, you have been asked to do this before. I want to know your favorite fruits. Write them down below. Favorite fruits, and I'll take some vegetables, fine. But most things are fruit anyway. So tomatoes are fruit, cucumbers are fruit, all peppers are fruit. Why did I say red? Avocados are fruit, zucchini's fruit. The things that aren't fruit are obviously greens, root vegetables like potatoes and beets, carrots, celery, these things like this. The most important thing that's going to give you the energy and the health that you desire is fresh, organic fruit. Now, don't be overwhelmed. Start with breakfast. Every morning for the next 7 days, I want you to eat fresh, organic fruit for breakfast. If you can't afford organic, that's fine. No excuses. Regular is fine, okay? It's better than whatever the fuck you're eating right now. I promise you. I promise you, boo. Hold on, little break. I promise you that it is going to be much easier for you to achieve all the goals that you have, the financial goals, the fitness goals, the relationship goals, when you are in a better mood, okay? If you wake up hungover, cranky, tired, with brain fog, negative, in a bad mood, how do you expect...
How the fuck
do you expect to achieve those goals? First of all, relationship goals, if you're in a bad mood all the time or you're tired all the time, nobody wants to be around somebody like that. People want to be around people that are high energy, high vibration. And remember, whatever you eat is going to affect that energy. It's going to directly affect that vibration, okay? I've seen it because I was a very depressed person all of my teens and my 20s. And now everybody wants to be around me all the time, okay? Because I have a high vibration, because I'm eating high vibrational food, which gives me a high vibrational mood. All right. I got that from one of my mentors, Ted Carr. So if you are interested in learning more about fruit and vegetables, he is a great place to start. Make sure to subscribe to me first and then go check him out. Okay. Also, there's somebody called Freely the Banana Girl. She doesn't put out too much content anymore, but she will definitely school you. Her old videos are amazing. She will school you on everything you need to know. You do not need to worry about protein. We can get into that in another video, but guys, that's what you need. You need fresh fruit and vegetables to make you feel fresh, fruity, and vegetable-y. Okay? You know what I mean. High energy food, high energy mood. Low vibrational food, okay? Death, things like dead animals, okay? Things like, you know, very heavily cooked food, okay? Dead food. What do you think that's gonna make you feel? You are what you eat. Food equals mood. You put in dead food, you're gonna feel dead. You put in alive, vibrational food, colorful, beautiful food, okay, like pineapples, mangoes, watermelons, strawberries, bananas, blueberries, papayas, you know, come on, we can go on forever. Oranges, apples, grapes, all these things. You put in those things, you're gonna feel good, and you're gonna look good too. And by the way, to be successful, people need to want to be around you, okay? Because you can't achieve success on your own. You can't. You need to become more of a people person, okay? I'm learning this now. And not to be a fake people person, a genuine people person. People, you know, love to be around you, and you love to be around people. And a great way to do that is to change your mood. The best way to change your mood is to change your food. Thanks for watching. Bye.